watch a brand new video, and I'm Santosh from Smart Tech, and in this video we'll be taking a quick look on the unboxing and the review of the Jio phone. So without any time, let's get started. This is Santosh from Smart Tech. Do it unique. This is the Jio phone, and let's take a comparative study about this phone. So this is the outer covering box, and it's written India ka smartphone, which means India's phone. And here at the back, they are given some features here. So let me show it in detail. These are like some apps or games built in the mobile. As you can see, here are the apps. And the features here are like the Wi-Fi, 4G network, Bluetooth, multiple Indian languages, GPS and wireless FM radio. And this mobile size is 2.4 feet, which is 6 centimeters or up to 6 centimeters. And it have 2 MP plus 4 MP camera. And even it's 2000 mAh battery, which may last up to 1 day of the continuous use. Maybe a half day of the continuous use. Average use, it may lead to 2 to 3 days for average use. So as you can see, I'm unboxing the mobile. Here you get a box like this or a shape or some figure like this. So here is it. Here you can see the barcode. This barcode is usually used for the returning of the mobile if it's not good. As you can see the mobile here, and this is the charger. And let me remove the charger first. And here you can see this. There are 2 guides given. The first one is for the mobile guide, the keypad guide. So you can type in different languages in this mobile, like Bengali, Orissa, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Punjabi and much more. So, and this is used. So you can use different keys for different languages using this guide. And here is the guide. And one more guide here is the mobile guide. So many of them don't know how to use the mobile, and this for them. The version is F220B. And here's a guide for the people who don't know how to use the language English. They have even given a battery, which I already inserted inside the mobile before unboxing the video. As you can see, this guide contains a lot of pages. Now let's move on to the mobile. The mobile is short or small in size. Let me turn it on by pressing the red color button. And the main cause in this mobile is it takes a lot of time for opening. Up to 10 to 20 seconds for opening. As you can see, it's not still opened yet. It's really very slow. And you get even a sound, music while opening. I couldn't showcase it because of the volume, which I have turned it off or muted the volume in the video. The mobile is really comfortable to use and a bit short or small in size, which can be easily carried in pockets. But don't misuse this phone or don't think bad about this phone. It can do anything, whatever you know. Even YouTube, Facebook, anything. Let's see about that. As you can see, I turned the mobile on. I think you can see. Wait, let me fit the camera and light. Yep, you can see. Now as you can see, this now time is 8:14. And here you can see the all built-in apps by Jio. And you can see this is the call log, contacts, WhatsApp is there too. WhatsApp is really great to use in mobile. And then you're gonna have this WhatsApp where you can chat anything, whatever you want. Here's the camera. Camera is really amazing. I didn't expect this from Jio. I thought this mobile would shoot with low quality, but it's really amazing with rear and back camera and front camera. The camera quality is really good. Maybe I can use it for shooting. I'm just kidding. Here, there are more built-in apps like Facebook. I have not yet registered yet because I don't want to. Here's Jio TV, where you can watch online shows and many more. App Store. Oh my god, I forgot. I forgot to tell you that this mobile is powered by OS. So on my smart talks, I spoke about it one day. You can check it out. The brightness and everything is amazing. So I just turned on my network. OS is a really great work. It has done a really great work. You can see there are many apps like these social apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and this app for Narendra Modi also, Narendra Modi sir. This books and reference games, sports news, and many more. So here's the YouTube. I like the way how YouTube works on this mobile really. It's really amazing. YouTube is one of the best thing I ever seen in this mobile. As you can see the cursor here, you can move the cursor by pressing the button, down button, up button, side button, anything. And click on the video by pressing the OK button. The main thing I loved in this mobile is this YouTube only. As you can see, it's really amazing. I really felt how I used an Android phone. As you can see, the file manager, SMS, and many more options are there. I really use this mobile for urgent times. And as I told, I already fixed the battery inside. So let me show you how that battery is. But I'm not gonna just remove it out because I have to just turn it on again. I'm so lazy. Thank you for that. As you can see, I'm opening out now, and it's a bit difficult to open really. It's hard. And as you can see, this is the battery. I mean, you can't see though. I'm just zooming it out. This is the battery and this is the 4MP camera. I didn't expect the 4MP camera should shoot like this, and my camera is very bad than this. I would like to take a DSLR camera though. And as you can see, so Jio TV, there are many more apps, and at the top, even you get a headphone jack in this mobile, which is really amazing. So I give you a task: find where's the headphone jack in this picture. Find where's the headphone jack. So that's all. Thanks for watching. I really like this mobile. Size doesn't matter. Hashtag. This is a really great phone. Hashtag size doesn't matter. It's the title or the thing. Because even if it's small, it's really amazing. So thanks for watching. Let's move on to the outro. And if you're watching still now, thanks. I didn't expect this if you're watching still now. I would like to make video on my own like this only. So without the help of Shlok. Thanks for watching. So thanks for watching this. You guys can like, share and subscribe our channel. So this is Santosh signing up from your Smart Tech. And this mobile looks small, but it does the great thing. So do it unique. This is Santosh from your Smart Tech. Do it unique.